Hello. Some night shots with the Viper laser beam expander. Just kind of keeps going. Car exhaust. Woo! Okay, this is officially awesome. Buy this. It is awesome. Woo! Some car exhaust. Woo! And this is some laser shots in the dark. Car exhaust. I mean, look at that thing. Just look at it. You have a lightsaber. Yes, lightsaber. Lots of video footage. It's always a good thing. Laser beam expander reduces the divergence of a laser pointer and thus increases the distance at which the beam can travel by 10 times 10. The beam is fully adjustable. If I can get it to spin, do this one-handed. See, it adjusts. See right there. The adjusting allows you to focus the beam at any point between 1 meter and as far as the eye can see. You can tell the beam is way closer. The dot is huge on the side of the car, and the effect of the fog beam is it's reduced because I've made the beam thinner by focusing it. Car exhaust. Test your car's pollution today using a laser pointer. I'd say that's a lot. Yeah, that's definitely a lot. By continuing to spin it, you can have the car. You can have the beam focused at, I believe, a point of 1 meter. Let's get this. There we go. Much better. That is a lightsaber, my friends. Lightsaber. And there's the dot. A couple 100 feet away, some trees. It's definitely worth it. If you buy the Viper, the Spartan, or the Aurora, I highly recommend this. You'll get some awesome effects, especially with smoke, fog, anything like that. Even common fog or haze. So if you live in a very humid environment, this thing is just awesome. It is insane. And I believe it goes to a distance of 10 miles, although I've never been able to confirm this because I need someone 10 miles away who can see the dot. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This thing is worth the money on an unprecedented level. You get the cool lightsaber effect, granted you have enough car exhaust. And let's get some distance shots. Come on, zoom in. There we go. Well, the zoom on this camera sucks, so that's cool. Hit some trees, let's say it's a couple 100 feet away. That is at least 1/8 of a mile right there. 1/8 of a mile. Woo! Over their heads. That is across the parking lot, which is quite a distance. With the laser beam expander as well, you can also focus your green laser for maximized burning. Believe it or not. Take the Spartan, Aurora, or Viper, focus it at the minimum divergence of 1 meter, and this thing, you used to think it lit matches before. It does this in a split second. You don't have to focus it or anything. Instantaneous. And the electrical cutting power is tape. Electrical tape cutting is just insane. We will now travel to the other side of the car, slightly more darker. Gives you a view of the maximum. This is the size of the dot at close range. It's a good inch or two. It's pretty big. The dot is pretty huge, and because the dot is in fact it's bigger the further you go, which does kind of suck, but it allows it to show up on the camera. Green does not show up on cameras as well as I'd like it to, but it is insane. You can actually see the beam currently, barely. I think you can barely see it, you focus, but in real life, the beam is highly visible. It's kind of hard to see it, actually. It kind of sucks. Here, wait. Yeah. Also functions as a flashlight. If I hit the car steam, I get a laser beam. So definitely hop on by at www.dragonlasers.com and pick yourself this up. Make a very nice gift for yourself or loved one if you know they're into lasers. Yeah. Oh, for look, the Viper is a little clunky. Makes it look like a flashlight of some kind, but this goes almost seems custom made for the Spartan. It attaches to the Spartan very nicely. It looks as can't even tell it's attached almost. So I prefer it with the Spartan, personal opinion. So yeah, enjoy. Hop onto the site and get yourself if I can do it again, where's the fog? Oh, lightsaber. Get yourself a lightsaber. That is beautiful. Cha. Alright.